Use risk capital you can afford to lose if you are playing this game. E for eminywizard.com and marketwizards.com. 2A day, we had suggested we could hit a bounce. A lot of traders didn't believe me when I said that, but I said we can certainly try to hit a bounce using our resistance zone. And my guess is the hard part will be moving around the news. So far, we've had a sharp push, got the gap closed. Anybody's taking a return trip, we said make sure you paid 84s to 82s and good fortune below. That 82 support until broken. That has been broken, but we have not taken out the angel. Here it is. So here's our 78 right there. Right there. Paid for sure. Actual target 77.5. Get paid by 78. Stops down. Trailers. Strictly trailer. We'd said if we break, then the possibility of testing 78s and then the 75 to 74. There's a gap at 74.25. Know your levels. Stops down. Zeke, thank you for the post about the news. And once this thing turns tail and starts down, you're looking at your moving averages too. Here's the 15. Anybody that has part of this swing south side, good for you. We said 2A day. Possibly get caught short today. Don't want to get caught short. You get a hard, fast move, take your take your profits, and then think about from the sideline what you want to do. Bounce, head fake, and the return trip is kind to the shorts. That's a great trade. And the hard part about this trade was the news as part of it. You just have to react once it starts to move. Well, let's take a look at a couple other charts. Here's our monthly. We talked about this guy right here. If we broke that, then we would be coming down into the next box. And I said yesterday, it looks like distribution. So far, nothing has changed my mind about that. This was the whole key, was stalling at that 92, 93 so far. So here's our deeper support zone. And obviously the reactionary trade from this 78 we had looked at, make sure you paid coming into 78s. So currently resistance, fighting box, support box. And now the battle will be again this this break here at 83, right? So it kind of puts 78 in the middle of that potential at 74. Where the gap 74.25, I believe. And that's about a 40-point trade off the high. Always want to do your measures also from highs like that, not just from yesterday. You want to see that relationship as well. So here's a key. Let's pay attention to it today to help us understand. Are we still sinking, looking for support, or are we back into the range? Because that's yesterday's low. Trap longs, so we can say that, yeah, this really was a bear flag. Small variety, obviously. Down, up, fails to take out the high, then we take out the low. And marginally, it's hard to tell, but there's a little bit deeper. And once we get back up above here, and I'm not saying we're doing that today, but you'll note that this was a fast down move and can go up through that fairly quickly. So keep our eyes there. And probably this is forced profit taking also on the monthlies. Thank you for that news, Zeke, from briefing. Anybody that is attempting to close the gap, use an 85 stop. And by gap, I'm talking 74.25 down here. And the trends currently is still down. I'm going to need some time to consolidate. Need time for these moving averages to catch up. Way ahead of ourselves right now. And the breakout trade, we said, first of all, we'll target 78 to 77, and then potentially that 74.